Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Primary 2, how are you? I hope that you are all fine. Today we're going to take a lesson about estimation. What do we mean by estimation? We are going to see. So let's start.
So let me tell you a story. Amir wanted to meet his friend. He started from 20 to 30. His car stopped at 23. So let's draw. This is Amir's house, and this is Amir's friend. Amir's house is at 20. Amir is, his friend is at 30. So this is Amir in his car. He drove in direction of his friend, but his car stopped at 23. His car stopped, it broke down at 23. So what can you tell Amir? Shall he go back to his house, or shall he continue to his friend? Which is closer to Amir, his house or his friend? Yes, right. Primary 2, excellent. He is closer to his house because this is the midpoint where the middle of the distance, half of the distance, okay? And then he can move back to his house. It's easier for him. So 23, this number is closer to which number? Is it closer to 20 or is it closer to 30? It's closer to 20, so you're going to go back to 20. Okay? Let's see another example. Amir all So now tell me, if I am at 22, I am closer to 20 or 30 or 30. Of course, I'm closer to 20. I shall go back. How about if I'm 29? I'm closer to 30. So I should go forward. I will round up. And here at 22, I rounded down. Yes. How about this 25? We're at the middle exactly. 25, we round it up. As long as I want half of the distance, then I go up. Now, I hope that you understand primary 2. Let's see another example. Now, let's see another example, primary 2. Let's see, what does he say here? Now we have here a part of the number line where it starts at 40 and ends at 50. Count 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Where is the middle of the distance? Where's the middle? Yes, 45. Now he's asking about 41. Where's 41? Here. So 41, is it closer to the 10 before, or is it closer to the 10 after? Look at this distance. My goodness, that's so long. It's a very long way to go from 41 to 50. So it's easier to round. Yes, we round down. 41 is closer to 40 and we round down. We go back. Okay, let's see this example. This is a part of the number line where we start at 70 and end at 40, and we're going by just one. Okay, now what is he asking us about? He's asking us about 77. So what do? We first determine middle of the distance. This is 75. So 75 is the middle of the distance. Where is 77? Put let's circle 77. Yes, here is 77. So is it closer to 80 or is it closer to 70? Yes, we are going to go forward. We're going to round up. Rounding up means I'm going to take a step higher than the number I have. And rounding down means I'm going to go a step lower than the number I have. Okay, so this is 80. Yes, excellent, primary 2. I hope you understand what we are talking about now. See this example. These are parts of the number line. The first one is starts at 50 and ends at 60. And he's asking us about 53. So first I'm going to put the middle of the number, the middle of between 50, the number in the middle between 50 and 60. And then we're going to circle the 53 or put a rectangle or a square around it, whatever. And then see where is it 53. Is it closer to 50 or is it closer to 60? So it's closer to 50. Yes, very good. So I'm going to round down to 50. Okay. How about this number? This is another problem. He's asking us about 98. He's asking us about the 98. So first we're going to see the middle number, which is 95. It's in the middle between 90 and 100. Where is 98 on this number line? Yes, there it is, 98. So is it closer to 100 or is it closer to 90? Yes, see, it's a long distance till 90. So we're going to go forward. Remember Amir's car? If Amir's car broke here, he should go to his friend. So 98 is going to go up to 100. So we are going to say that 98 is closer to 100. Do you understand primary 2? So you have a part in your revision in your sheet where you can solve this part of the lesson. Okay.
Now let's start solving in our booklet. So open page 217 and let's start. What you see in page 217 is the 120 chart, and you know what the 120 chart is, right? This is your 120 chart. Now, we're going to work on this 120 chart. And on page 218, it says, use the 120 chart to estimate the following numbers. 63 is closer to. So let's see where 63 is. Let's mark 63. Where 63 is, this is 63. So 63, we're going to estimate to the nearest 10. Is it closer to 60 or is it closer to 70? So let's count the steps to 60. So it's 62, 61, and 60. 3 steps. And let's count the steps to 70. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it's closer to, yes, 60. Now, let's see another example. 135, is it closer to what? So let's see where 35 is. Let's mark 35. Now, 35 is closer to, yes, it's in the middle. So it's in the middle. We're going to round up to 40. So it's closer to 40. Very good. Excellent. Now, how about this? 102. Where is the 102? Where is the 102? Here it is. What's the 10 before and what's the 10 after? It's before, the 10 before it is 100 and the 10 after is 110. So is it closer to 100 or closer to 110? It's closer to 110. Okay, now the last example is 116. 116, let's mark 116. Here it is. Now, is it closer to what's the 10 before? What's before it? Yes, 110. What's after it? 120. So, is it closer to 110 or 120? Yes, it's closer to 120. Now I know that you are intelligent and excellent students, so you can complete this whole page and the next pages by yourself.
We do with this estimation, primary two, what do we do with this estimation? We estimate before we add, before we subtract, so I can, after I finish my problem, I look back. Is it right? From my estimation, is it right? Is it wrong? Say you went to the store and you have to buy a pen for 17 pounds and a book for 25 pounds. Now, you don't know how much are you going to pay to the store man? Are you going to get out your paper and pencil and write down and add in front of the store man? No, you estimate. So 17 is close to 20 and 25 is close to 30, so you should give the man a 50 pound and you will have a change back. Let's see what I'm talking about. Now, estimating sum. To the nearest 10. Let's see the problem. Now he's adding 32 and 27. So let's first estimate. Now 32, we're going to circle the 10. Look at the ones. Now this is rounding down. Now estimation of 32 will be 30. Yes. Now here 27. So this 10 ones rounds up. So this is going to be 30 again. Yes, estimation of 27 is 30. Let's add them, 60. So when I add this, I should have something near to 60. Let's see. estimation of this plus this is an estimated value. Yeah, it's not exact. Just yes, it's gonna be 60. If I give you 32 pounds and I give you 27 pounds, it's gonna be 60 pounds almost. So let's add and see. 2 and 7 is very good. 9. 3 and 2 is, yes, 5. So it's gonna be 59. Isn't 59 close to 60? Yes, it's so close to 60. So I got a value which is very near to the real result. So now here another example. So let's first estimate 25. This is my 10 and this is my ones. So 5 is rounds up, so the 2 becomes 30. Yes, it's gonna be 30. Now here this is 3, it rounds down, so it's gonna be 10. The 10 before 13 is 10, so this is gonna be 10. So my estimated value is 30 plus 10 is 40. Okay, so estimation of 25 and 13 is 40. So let's find the real value now. Now 5 plus 8 is, 5 plus 3 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3, so it's 38. Isn't 38 close to 40? Yes, it's close. Another example. I will give you time to think it by yourself, primary 2. So, did you estimate 26 to what? 30, because it's 6 rounds up. Did you estimate 71 to what? 70, because the 1 rounds down. So my estimation is should be 100. So adding 26 and 71 gives you 100. This is the estimated value. So what is the real value? 6 and 1 is a 7. 2 and 7 is what? 9. So it's 97. Isn't 97 close to 100? Yes. Let's see another example and you try to do it by yourself first. And then check your answer. I'm not going to talk now. Now you do it by yourself and then check your answer. Did you get it right? Did you get this one right also? And this is your sum. So what's the estimated value for this? It's 80, yes. What's the real value? 79. Is it close to 80? Yes. So I round, I estimate if I am finding sum, which is adding, or if I am finding difference, which is subtracting. So let's do the subtraction. Now let's estimate difference. Okay. We're going to do the same steps, except we're going to subtract this time. So here is the problem. First you estimate the first number. Did you get it right? Okay, now estimate the second number. It's 30. What's the difference? 30, yes. So the estimation of 64 and 32 is 30. Estimation here is 30. Okay, let's find the real difference. Let's find subtraction. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3, so it's 32. So isn't 32 close to 30? Yes. Now this is your problem, so I want you to work it out, and then I am waiting for your answer. Hurry up. So estimating 56 will be 60 because this 6 in the ones rounds up. We go up to the tens next. Okay. Estimating 11 is 10. We go back because the ones rounds down. So the difference is 50. And estimating 56 minus 11 will estimate to 50. Let's see the real difference. 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So 45 is near to 50, and this is the estimation of the problem, and this is the real value, and it's close to the estimated value. So let's see other examples, primary 2. Now our last example. This is your problem. Hurry up and finish it before I do. Estimate 59 to 60, and the 9 rounds up. Estimate 15 to 20, the 5 rounds up. So what's the difference here? 60 minus 20, 40. Excellent. Did you write that? I know that you are clever, primary 2. All of you, you are so clever. So the estimated value is 40, and the real value is 44. It's close to 40. Our last example. Here it is. Work. You finish before I do. Yalla, hurry up. Hurry up. Ha, 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 ha. Yes. 7. I'm going to say 74. Estimated value is 70. 43. The estimated value is 40. Round down here and round down here because the 4 and the 3 round down. So now it's 30. So the estimated value is 30. How about the real value? Let's find 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3, and this is close.
Now, primary 2, let us work in our booklet. Open page 219, and we're going to solve 2 problems or 3 together, and then I will leave you to solve them by yourself. Now, it says use the 120 chart to estimate the sum or difference. So we are going to estimate, then find the sum or difference by estimation. Now, I have here 37. This is 37. So let's mark 37 on the 120 chart. Where is it? Here, 137. So is it closer to 40 or 30? It's closer to 40. Now, where is the 11? The 10 before it is 10, and the 10 after is 20. So is it closer to 10 or 20? It's closer to 10. Now let's find the sum. Sum means I'm going to add. So it's 0 plus 0 is 0, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, now let's do the next one. Now 76, I want to find 76. Here it is. Now we ask ourselves, what's the 10 before 70? What's the 10 after 80? So is it closer to 70 or 80? It's closer to 80, yes. Now how about the 24? The 24, where is the 24? Here it is. The 10 before it is 20, and the 10 after is 30. Is it closer to 20 or 30? It's closer to 20, so the estimate of 24 is 20. Now this is difference. Difference means I'm going to subtract. So let's subtract. 0 take away 0 is 0. 8 take away 2. You can find them on your fingers, or you can use the 120 chart. So get out 8 on your fingers and take away 2. You are left with 6. Yes. Or you can use the 120 chart. Go to the 8 and then go back 2 steps. You're left with 6. Okay? Shall we do another one? Or can you do it by yourself now? Okay. 27. Let's go to the 27. Here it is, 27. So it's closer to 30, yes. How about 15? Where's the 15? Yes, it's in the middle. So we round up. So we round the 15 up to the 10 after. So it's a 20. Now find the sum. I am going to add. 0 plus 0 is a 0. 3 plus 2 is, get out 3 on your finger and 2 on your finger, so you have how many? 5. Okay, or you can use the 120 chart to find the sum. 5, 3, I'm sorry, go to the 3 and then add 2, so it's 1, 2 steps, 5. Okay, now I will leave you to do this page, complete this page and the next pages.